Hi, my name is Beth Wheeler, and I'm here to show you how to log into eWolf to register for your COM 115 course. You have a course with Uli Putri, and she has helped the College Now team at the Front Range campus to know you need some assistance. So here we are. You're going to need your S number. You got an S number. You were assigned an S number when you applied to Front Range, and so the S number you will enter has been assigned to you. This one's mine. And then the password, if this is the first time that you are logging into eWolf, you'll need to follow the instructions here for your initial login, and then the system will show you how to reset your password to something you will use in the future. And if you've already reset your password and have forgotten it, you can reset your password online here. So use whatever password you need to. I have mine here. All right, and then we click Login. So while we're waiting for the screen to advance, just a reminder that as a high school student enrolled in a college course, you're a concurrent enrollment student, you are required to register for the course to earn that college credit. And in order to do that, you're going to, inside eWolf under Student Tools, click here on Add Drop Classes. And it's going to load a page to ask which semester you're enrolling for. Summer is over. Fall 2018 is the semester in which you are enrolling. And the last step here, before I talk to you about this number, just so you see the instructions for how to add a class are here. You can read through those. I want to talk to you really quickly about the CRN. It's a number that the college assigned to the course you're enrolled in. And here is yours. You're going to need to add a 5-digit number, 51550, in order to add the course to be officially enrolled in the college course for college credit with Uli Putri. So let's go back and add 51550. I am not going to click Submit Changes because I can't enroll for this class, but you will. Submit Changes. When the screen advances, you'll see a class is added to your schedule. Make sure that it says, let's go back to my spreadsheet, make sure that it says COM 115 section 280, and your instructor's name should be listed, also Uli Putri. So just as a recap, what we did was enroll for a college course, which is pretty cool. I'm going to exit out of this, and you can exit out of the system too after you double check that you have the right course added. And I wish you luck in your college course, and we're really glad you're taking a class with Front Range. Take care.